A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant legal battle unfolding in Texas, Attorney General Ken Paxton has emerged victorious against former Senate and presidential candidate Robert Francis Beto O'Rourke and his activist group, Powered by People. The lawsuit, filed by Paxton, accuses O'Rourke and his organization of engaging in unlawful and deceptive fundraising practices aimed at financing Texas House Democrats who left the state to avoid a quorum, while allegedly using donations for personal luxuries. Paxton did not hold back in his criticism, stating, "Democrat runaways are likely accepting Beto bribes to underwrite their jet-setting sideshow in far-flung places and misleadingly raising political funds to pay for personal expenses." He emphasized his commitment to holding accountable those who attempt to buy off Texas elected officials. On Thursday, a Texas district court responded to Paxton's claims by issuing a temporary restraining order against O'Rourke and Powered by People. This order halts all fundraising and expenditures deemed unlawful while the lawsuit progresses. The court's findings indicated that the actions of O'Rourke's organization constituted false, misleading, or deceptive acts under the Texas Deceptive Trade Practices Act, violating multiple state laws, including the Texas Penal Code and Election Code. The judge noted that Texas consumers had been misled into donating under the impression that their contributions were supporting a political cause, only to discover that their money was being used to cover accommodations, meals, and travel expenses for lawmakers evading their constitutional responsibilities. The restraining order specifically prohibits O'Rourke and Powered by People from continuing their fundraising activities. Following the court's ruling, Attorney General Paxton expressed satisfaction with the outcome, declaring, "The Beto bribe buyouts that were bankrolling the runaway Democrats have been officially stopped." He reiterated that Texas cannot be bought, and that he would thoroughly investigate the documents and communications related to the case. Paxton's lawsuit against O'Rourke and Powered by People marks a crucial moment in Texas politics, as it seeks to address what he describes as a deceptive financial influence scheme designed to mislead donors while promoting political agendas. The lawsuit is part of a broader effort by Paxton, who has also initiated legal action against 13 of the runaway Democrats, asking the Texas Supreme Court to rule that they vacated their offices by abandoning the state. Additionally, Paxton has launched an investigation into a Soros-funded group that allegedly supported the quorum break and is working to enforce quorum warrants in Illinois. The situation continues to evolve as Paxton aims to hold accountable those involved in what he claims are illegal activities undermining Texas governance. In the meantime, public records reveal that the Powered by People PAC has received a mix of small donations and significant contributions from various sources, including progressive consulting firms and prominent individuals. Despite the ongoing controversy, O'Rourke remains a notable figure in Texas politics, having previously run for the Democratic presidential nomination in 2020 and losing to Governor Greg Abbott in 2022. He responded to Paxton's allegations, asserting that the Attorney General is scared of accountability and warning of potential repercussions for those involved in corruption. The unfolding legal drama between Paxton and O'Rourke highlights the contentious political landscape in Texas, where fundraising tactics and accountability are under intense scrutiny. As the case progresses, both sides are gearing up for a battle that could have significant implications for future political fundraising and the conduct of elected officials in the state. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.